Good morning.
Good morning. We are going to go to, where are we going, Kev?
We are going to the big falls right here at Forrest Falls. Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we can stay a while.
The Big Falls hike is located off Highway 38 in Forrest Falls. Ample parking is available at the Falls picnic area, although it does get extremely busy at the weekends.
Make sure you stay until the end of this video to see some dramatic footage of a helicopter rescue.
Wander in the forest, light is spinning on my door.
Hey guys, look who we found. It's Huck from Huck Outdoors.
Howdy.
So we've been watching Huck for at least a year, and we were just here at the Big Falls parking lot, and he got out of his car. Check it out.
Take a couple photos.
The trail begins right at the parking lot and takes you down into Mill Creek. Head west down the creek and then north up the trail. Although this is a short hike, it's packed with photo opportunities and waterfalls.
Straight our lives. We are all working under the sun.
Well, we've only just left the parking lot, but it's already gorgeous. It's just so good to be out here. And to see that it hasn't all burnt down, that's such a blessing. We're not actually up in the wilderness, we're just in the creek bed, but it is gorgeous. And we're gonna go and see if we can take some good photos of the falls. Here we go. We're actually hiking with Huck, which is kind of cool. We love meeting people. If you see us on the trail, stop and say hi.
You guys are going to enjoy this one.
Yeah.
This one's really pretty, especially when you get to the base of the tree. If you're going up further, it's absolutely beautiful.
I've been
That's it.
slipping on these all day. Please do not wear sneakers or even get hiking shoes, honestly.
Maps have lost their meaning. Where we go now doesn't matter somehow. We are working under the
Slippy. This is not those granite rocks that we were hiking on in Alabama Hills. These are quite slippy, aren't they? Here I go. Jumping up here for like,
So we made it to the top, and here's the falls. The reward is the beautiful falls behind Kat right there.
it's got to be at least 20 years ago when I first moved to California and Kevin wanted to bring me somewhere pretty, and it truly is beautiful, isn't it?
I just can't do it without you. I just can't do it without you. 'Cause without you, it won't do. I just can't do it without. I just can't.
So she's my mom. We're out here for a Mother's Day hike. We're super excited, and we're just now getting into the hiking scene and exploring, and she wanted a waterfall feature for Mother's Day, and we found this. I'm super happy of how it came out.
Meeting you guys.
Happy
Have a
Mother's
wonderful
Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Walking on the sunshine with you.
Okay, we've come to the end of this hike.
And how far was it up to the...
Oh, about half a mile. Not very
Nice.
far. Quarter
All right.
mile.
It was fun meeting Huck, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was great. Later in the day, after a long hike, video coming soon, we saw a helicopter rescue at the Big Falls Valley. The skill and dedication of these guys is incredible. This is a notorious area for people going off trail and trying to hike past the railings and either falling or getting stuck. Please stay on the trail.
We really enjoyed visiting the falls again, and this shady hike is great for beginners just like Sherry and Nicole. Give us a thumbs up and a comment below if you enjoyed this video. You can also follow us on social media.
If you're not a subscriber yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button for more exciting videos. From Kat and Kev, your wilderness wanderers, we'll see you on the trail.